Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today let's see the program all possible subsets. Initially the question is given a sentence as input, print all the unique combinations of the words of this sentence considering different possible number of words each time. That means they will give a sentence which contains some number of words and we have to write all the possible subsets which can be derived from the given sentence, right? Let's see an example. Example is all the initially apple is a fruit, right? So single word unique combinations are a apple fruit is, and two word unique combinations are a apple a fruit. That means every line contains two words here which are in alphabetical order. And let's see, three words unique combinations are which contains three words which are in alphabetical order, right? And so on up to the length of the sentence, right? And let's see the program. Name 1 is equal to input dot split off. I think you all know why we are using split, to split the given sentence as a list, to do some modifications later. Name is equal to name is equal to sorted of name 1. Actually the output is in alphabetical order, right? So we are using the sorted function here. And n is equal to length of name, and result is equal to combinations of name comma n. And let's see the function here. Def combinations are the name we are taking in the code, right? So we are using here name comma n. And let's take an empty list. New is equal to empty list and old is equal to list which contains the empty list. And items is equal to list of range of n. That means which are in the state of list. That means if you take an n value as 3, then items is equal to 0 1 2. That's it. And for I in range of n, for comp in old, for item in items, you have to give condition here. If comb and comb minus 1 comb sorry and comb of minus 1 less than item, less than item, or length of combi is double is equal to 0. Double is equal to means it's a relational operator. That means which checks either it's double is equal to 0 or not. And new dot append of comb plus item, and old is equal to new. Okay, let's clearly understand this for loop here. Actually, for I in range of n, right, let's take n as an number 3. So I means here 0 and comb in old, initially old which contains the empty list, right? So comb means here, that means combi means here empty list, right? And after that item in items, sorry here item, item, and initially item is 0 and item which is in 0 and length of combi double is equal to 0, it so it enters into the um, if condition. So combi plus item is added into the new empty list, right? So um, here 0 is added to the new and old list becomes the new list. So old list becomes 0, that means it is a list which contains the value 0. And here after again loop iteration happens, no? So I value now becomes 1 and combi becomes a list which contains 0, and for item in items the item value initially 0, right? So 0 less than 0, so it's not enter into the if condition, and after 1 less than 0, right, that means 1 greater than 0, item becomes 1 and combi of minus 1 how much, 0. So 0 less than item, so it enters into the condition loop. So again the value is added to the new list, right? And so on the loop iteration happens again and again up to the range of n. And now these are the combinations which we get in index values. Let's convert this into a word form. So k is equal to empty list. So for I in I in new val is equal to empty list, and for j in I, actually we got the index values, right? So we have to convert this index values into the word form. So val dot append of name of j and k dot append of k dot append of val. So the words which are given the index we get, right? So this index is converted into word. If we gave she is a good girl, so 0 1 2 3, right? So if you taken 3 to 1, so based on the index the words is change its positions. Okay, let's enter into another section. N is equal to empty list. For item in k, item 1 is equal to double quotations dot join of item. Actually we get the output in list form, but we have to get it in a string form, so we are using here join function. And n dot append of item 1, so we have to append this item 1 to the n list. And l is equal to empty list, and we got everything in a sequence, right? That means we got every sequence which is in list, but we have to print as a sequence one by one. And let's take l is equal to empty list, And for item in N, if item not in L. Actually, we have to neglect the repetitions, right? So for that we are using here if item not in L, print of item L dot, we have to append it to the list, right? So L dot append of item. Okay, and we have to clear it because I've overwrite it. Okay, let's see the output here. It does not exist. O- Okay, we get it, right? Apple is a fruit, and initially we came all these single combinations A, apple, fruit is. Scroll that output, and after that we got two letter combinations, right? Okay, here see we came two letter combinations and again three up to the range of the words of the sentence, right? Okay, if you have any doubts, you can check it in my comment section. I will provide link there. And thank you everyone. Please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.